My name's Richard Shaw. I'm the President and CEO of Interscan Corporation. There are various levels and aspects of gas detection. The particular applications that we address are specifically for compliance monitoring in the workplace. So in other words, we manufacture instrumentation that will measure for any potential toxic gases that may be in the workplace breathing air that people could be exposed to. Not all toxic gases have aromas, and you can't necessarily smell all of them. So you need a measuring device. Our company was founded in 1975, and the premise for our company was to use specifically laboratory-grade instrumentation. In other words, instrumentation that had the specifications, reliability, and sensitivity of a laboratory test equipment, but was rugged enough to be used in the field for monitoring worker safety compliance. Unlike a lot of Interscan's competition, we are one of the few people in the industry that actually manufacture our own electrochemical sensor. So being the manufacturer of your own sensor, that really gives you the edge on applications, expertise, and knowledge, because you know what your sensor can do, and then of course you marry it into the appropriate electronics. I would like to bring in more high-tech, as you call it, but we are undoubtedly the only people now that are still using this hands-on approach. I mentioned earlier that we manufacture our own electrochemical sensors. This obviously means that someone else also manufactures electrochemical sensors, but it's a fully automated process because they make hundreds and hundreds of sensors. They're not selling the accompanying instrumentation to go along with the sensor. They just sell the sensors as a commodity. So they do have to have a very automated basis. In our case, our sensors are still made by hand. There are approximately 38 steps in assembling the Interscan electrochemical sensor. And it is a painstaking and tedious process, but I think it's really what has kept us in the market this long and has what allowed us to sustain beyond being bought up by larger companies, larger conglomerates. We basically treat every single order as an individual order. We know who all of our customers are. We know what their requirements are. In some cases, they don't even know what their requirements are. And so, because we are literally so hands-on, this has really leveraged us into applications expertise.